Hi friends, I want to tell you that I ordered this dark brown leather recoloring or restoration balm. I want to use it for a pair of shoes that I have. They are brown, but they are kind of, I don't know, they have lost some of their color. And I found this. It comes with different brushes and sponges to use it. Even these kind of accessories. So, well, I think it will be okay. I'm going to try it with my shoes. Okay, here it is. Of course, maybe you can't see it. Let me try it with this one. Okay, it's really dark. I like that. I needed something like that. So we want to try it and see how it goes. Hi friends, I want to show you how I'm going to do renovating my shoes with this leather and vinyl recoloring balm. Perfect. Now we're gonna wait until they dry and test them. Great.